Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're gonna discuss a solution for this kind of camera. For example, I have this Sony camera and this camera have a tilting screen. It does not have a flip out screen. So the problem is, if I want to do vlogging or if you want to shoot my own video for YouTube, I'm not able to see this screen and I'm not able to get the framing right, whether my face is in focus or not. It is really very difficult. So after watching this video, you're gonna have a very good solution, and with that solution you can do vlogging, you can make really very good videos, that too in a very cheap price. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it and don't forget to press the notification icon. So guys, I recently came across this device. So basically it is a mirror. It is a kind of selfie or vlogging mirror for your Sony DSLR or mirrorless camera or Nikon camera as well, provided you have a tilting screen. So the screen has to be like this. So if your camera have a tilting screen which tilts upwards or downwards, then this device will work perfectly fine for you. And this device is a JJC device. You can very easily find it on Amazon or Google, and this will cost you only around $15 including the shipping. You can find it even cheaper in a photo store. Then you can save some money for the shipping. So this is a very small device. So all this device contains is a mirror. See, you can see the mirror, and the mirror is angled at like 45-degree angle. So when you have this tilting screen, so the reflection of the screen hits this mirror and you are able to see everything that is being shown in this screen. That makes it very easy to frame your shot, because if I cannot see this screen, then it's very difficult for me to get my framing right. Of course, there are so many workarounds that you can do, like for example, if your camera have Wi-Fi, using the Sony Connect app you can mirror the screen onto your phone and that would do the job for you, but still it's an additional step. With this, it's like super easy. You just put it on your horseshoe mount. So let me do it for you and show you how this works. I'm gonna put this on the horseshoe mount on my camera. So this JJC has to be on the back side. So this easily slides onto your horseshoe mount and then you can tighten this. Another good thing about this device is that it has 3 more mounts. 1, 2 and 3. So you can, even after attaching this, you can attach a mic or some kind of a light or another flash. So you have 3 more horseshoe mount even after connecting this device. So now let me switch on the camera and then you would be able to see everything that I see on the back of the screen. When you look at the screen on this, it looks like, this is some kind of a LCD screen, and this is such a cheap solution compared to HDMI monitor. If you buy a decent HDMI monitor, that will cost you around $300, and then you have to connect it using the cables, and it has to be powered as well. If the battery dies in your HDMI monitor, then it will stop showing. But this does not need any power. It's just a mirror, so everything on your screen gonna be visible. So such a easy solution. So if you want to do vlogging, you can do that like this. I can see my face so easily and nicely in this. I can see if my face is in focus or not. Everything on the screen I can see. And if you are shooting video for YouTube, you can put your camera on a tripod and then very easily you would be able to frame yourself. You would be able to see if your head is in the frame or not. However, because this mirror is a bit small, so that's why it's a bit difficult to see if your face is in focus or not. If you have Nikon cameras like Z50, Z5, Z6, Z7, or if you have Canon cameras like Canon M6, or all the cameras which have this kind of tilting screen, so this device is gonna be very useful for them. Because one of the major problem or drawback that many people used to complain with this kind of camera is that they are not suitable for vlogging. So people have to go for those Wi-Fi solution, or they had to purchase some kind of a smart app. They had to use some expensive external monitor as well. But this is a very inexpensive solution that's gonna cost you like 10 to 15 US$. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please share it with as many people as you can so that they can also see this video and they can also find the solution to this problem, and that will also help in growing my channel as well. And please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the notification icon.